Hello, and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change the notification lights color in WhatsApp on your Android phone. This feature can be quite helpful if you want to differentiate between different types of messages by assigning specific colors to them. Here are the steps to change the notification lights color in WhatsApp on Android. Step 1. Open your WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap on the three dots menu located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. Scroll down to Notifications and tap on it. Step 5. Scroll down to Light and tap on it. Step 6. You will see a list of colors that you can choose from. Select the one you want to use. Step 7. If you don't see the color you want, select Custom Color and choose the color you want from the color wheel. Step 8. Once you have selected the color you want, tap on Save. That's it. You have successfully changed the notification lights color in WhatsApp on your Android phone. Now, you can customize the notification lights color to your liking and easily differentiate between different types of messages. For example, you can assign red for important messages, blue for work-related messages, and green for personal messages. In conclusion, changing the notification lights color in WhatsApp on Android is a simple process that can make a big difference in how you manage your messages. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.